In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TKP T3 Trend with PSAR Barcolor in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have this indicator added to your chart and ready to use, even if you're brand new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this process, so just open the chart you normally use for your trading or analysis. Once your chart is up, we're going to head straight to the Indicators menu. At the top of your chart, look for the button labelled Indicators. It usually sits near the timeframes and Tools toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart, including community scripts and built-in indicators. With the Indicators window open, move your attention to the search bar at the top of that panel. This search bar is how you quickly find the exact script you want instead of scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search field so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, type in TKP T3 Trend with PSAR Barcolor. Make sure you type it carefully so TradingView can find the correct script. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. When you see TKP T3 Trend with PSAR Barcolor appear in the list of results, click on it once. As soon as you click it, the indicator will automatically be added to your current chart. You should now see the TKP T3 Trend with PSAR Barcolor overlaying your price action. This might include colored bars, trend signals, or visual changes that help you quickly interpret the market. To fine-tune how it looks and how it behaves, we're going to open the settings. On your chart, move your cursor to the indicator's name, which appears at the top left near the symbol and time frame. You'll see a small gear icon next to the indicator name. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel for TKP T3 Trend with PSAR Barcolor. Here, you can adjust inputs, change colors, and customize the style so it matches your personal chart layout and trading preferences. Take a moment to explore the options and tweak them until the indicator is clear and easy for you to read. If you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you want to unlock more features or get a smoother experience with multiple indicators, you can use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll be set up properly and able to follow along with all of my future TradingView tutorials using the same tools and layouts.